Alright everybody, and welcome back to the Goody Pantry. So today I'm going to show you how to make brittle, but we're going to be doing it with cashew nuts. Now this is the same if you use cashews or peanuts, whichever one you want, but the cashew nuts definitely do go well. There's your ingredients, just 2 ingredients, simply sugar and nuts. Don't forget like and subscribe, hit the bell icon, let's get started. So like I said, just the 2 ingredients, caster sugar and the cashew nuts. So what you want to do first is get your sugar into your pan. And make sure you've got a good decent sized pan for this. If you've got any lumps in the sugar, just like I did there, just break them down gently. When you got it done, get your heat on, and you want to turn it all the way down to its low setting. And when you've done that, get your pan on your heat. Now walk away from it for at least 5 minutes. That's what it looks like after 5 minutes. Now you might be tempted at this point to think, oh, I better stir it. Don't, let it cook. Just let the sugar sit. Under that sugar, the caramel's already forming, but it takes a while to get to the top. So just again, walk with it and have a cuppa until you see it like this. Now when it's like this and starts the caramel's coming over the side, or you'll get pockets shoot up. When you've got a big pocket of the caramel, now we're going to start incorporating it. So what you want to do is to get a wooden spoon and start stirring from where the biggest pocket is, just like I'm doing here. Now what you're going to be doing is you're going to gradually bring in the rest of the sugar. Now remember, this isn't all sugar. That sugar's only on the top. Underneath that sugar, there's about 2 inches of caramel. But you have to wait till you get to this point before you start stirring it. Otherwise it becomes over crystallized and it just doesn't melt. So once you finish stirring, you'll have it looking like this. Now it's a really thick caramel, but you can see it's still grainy because there's still sugar that needs to be dissolved. At this point, all you're going to do is leave it on the stove for a minute, stir it. Leave it on the stove for a minute, stir it. And you're just going to keep repeating this process. Once you've got to this stage, you can't hurt it anymore. So you just keep repeating this until all the sugar has dissolved. So after this is halfway through, now you can see it's still melting on the sides, and as you stir it, you'll see the smooth caramel underneath incorporating. This pot only takes about 5 minutes. So this is mine at the end. So as I stir there, you can see the sugar is fully dissolved. And now all I'm left with is that caramel. So once that's done, what you want to do is turn the heat off on your stove and now get your nuts. Add them to the thing and really give them a good stir. Now this is going to become a bit resistant when you try to stir them in because the sugar is going to start setting because you've changed the temp, but just keep working with it until you've got all the nuts properly coated. So once it's like that and you've got that done, now get a tray and line it with parchment paper. And then all you want to do is take all of your filling and get that onto your parchment paper. Once you've got that done, with a palette knife, just start pressing it down to whichever thickness you want. I'd say a couple of centimeters. And just do that until it's all pressed down. Now with your pan, don't worry about cleaning it. Put all your utensils back in the same pan and just fill it to the brim with water and let it simmer for 20 minutes and everything goes away. So my peanut brittle now has been sat here for about 5 minutes, and now while it's still pliable, I'm using the knife to cut lines and indents into little squares basically. Because then when this is fully set, it makes it easier to snap apart. So this is sat for 30 minutes, and if I hit it, you can see how that just came apart. And that's why you cut it while it's still pliable. And there you can see good ratio of the caramel and the nuts. So then you want to do is just, you can use a knife again, or you just pick it up like I am here, and look, it just snaps away into the shapes that you cut. So just do that when you've cut it all up, and then they get stuck into it. Just watch your teeth, because it is peanut brittle. Alright, thanks for watching this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you do make the brittle, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And if there's anything you want to see me make, let me know in the comments as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon, and I'll catch you in the next one.